What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. On-page refers to both the content and HTML source code of a page that can be optimized, as opposed to off-page SEO, which refers to links and other external signals. For those new to on-page SEO, we highly recommend watching the next few lectures about on-page SEO, as they will help you out a lot. On-page SEO has changed over the years, so it's important to keep up with the latest practices. That's all for this video. It's just a short one. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and goodbye.